Hello, my name is Amber. I'm the founder and CEO of LEMP. At LEMP, our mission is simple: to help people gain practical skills, real-world experience, and the confidence to build meaningful careers. Over the years, I've worked with professionals from different backgrounds, many with no previous experience in technology who were looking for a clear pathway into a new career. What we discovered is that knowledge alone is not enough. People need practical exposure. They need mentorship. They need opportunities to apply what they've learned in environments that reflect the real world. That's why our programs combine learning, hands-on practice, internship experience, and career preparation. Today, we've supported more than 130 professionals on their career journeys, and we will continue to work with industry mentors, employers, universities, and technology leaders to create opportunities for growth. So, whether you are looking to transition into tech, you want to develop new skills, or partner with us as an organization, we would love to be part of your journey. Thank you for visiting LEMP, and we look forward to connecting with you.